Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a exciting haul for me anyways. This is the second time this month I went to Five Below, and I also went to Marshall's for the very first time. So let's jump right into the haul. At Five Below, one of the things I was actually looking for when I went in there, I saw these on another lady's video. These are the reusable makeup removing towels, $5. You get 2 of them. They are incredibly soft. They had a few different options for these. I picked the black and the leopard cheetah print. The main reason why I wanted to go after these, obviously they're water activated as well, is because in her video she said that she owned the makeup eraser. These were softer than her makeup eraser, and she tested them out and they work just as good, if not better, than her makeup eraser. And then the next item I want to share is not new, but they just never had a sample to smell in the store, and so I steered clear of this knockoff perfume or imitation perfume, whatever you want to call it. But they had a tester yesterday, and this is so incredibly sweet and fruity, and it is just perfect for summer and spring, and it just smelled so lovely. So I picked up the Kimberly Sweet Peach. I do not know what perfume this is imitating. Super duper cute packaging. Heart-shaped peach. How cute. Just smells so good. Nice heavy bottle as well. 2 new items. Okay, seriously. Next up, smoke and mirrors. I'm really loving this brand. I just picked up 2 more palettes in a previous haul, so you'll see that first. And I picked up this mascara set because it says it's argan oil infused, 3 times longer and bolder lashes, and this is the mascara trio set. I was kind of skeptical. Let's just try it. It's just, I'm so peculiar about my mascaras because my right eye always just, the lashes never look as good as the left eye. And I like the mascaras that build nicely, separates, lengthens volumes, all of the above. And I figured if I hate all of them individually, maybe I'll like them paired together. Anyways, Smoke and Mirrors has turned out to be a pretty decent brand, in my opinion. So, yeah. Last item from Five Below. I've talked way too much in this, but I've been recently going through more makeup, redoing my collection a bit. I still have the same Vanity and stuff. You guys are going to see it, but I've tweaked it a bit. And I randomly found this, which is pretty awesome because the thing I found at Marshall's goes with this, and it couldn't have paired together better. And I'm really hoping that I can get these stickers off of here. But currently, I'm just using a couple different pencil holder kind of cup items for my makeup brushes. And look how large this one is. It was the only one in my store. $5. So nice. See-through acrylic. Oh my. I'm so excited for this. I've been working on my collection for a while, and I just wanted to do a few things to revamp it. So let's move on to Marshall's. I was excited to look at their makeup section, but at the same disappointed at my store personally. I did see Anastasia stuff, I seen MAC, I seen Clinique, a ton of different stuff, even Pixie. And I almost bought this Pixie palette, but honestly I just wasn't a fan of the color story, so I wouldn't have used it in everyday life. I would just been buying it to test it out, and I don't do that anymore. I actually, if I buy a product, I have to literally, genuinely be interested in it, so I will use it up. That's my mindset now. They also had Makeup Revolution, which I was pretty shocked to see there. I didn't really know what to expect, to be honest. They had Beauty Blender Foundation, not my shade. Or I might have picked that up. But first, I did pick up this Hemp Heaven Organic Hemp Seed Oil Strawberry Hibiscus Body Lotion. Moisturize, Soothe, and Hydrate 18 fluid ounces. And I paid $5.99 for this. This smells so so heavenly. This is perfect scent for summer. I did pick up and I'll insert a picture of this, but a reusable shopping bag, and it has turtles on it. It was only $1. I love turtles, so it was like a no-brainer. I had to have it. Next up, I'm going to share with you the makeup. But as for makeup, I found this e.l.f. highlighter. This is the multi-dimensional face and body shimmer. This is from their Retro Paradise collection because I recognize the packaging on this, and I picked up several things from that collection, but I did not pick up this. I think it was $10 when it first released. I picked it up at Marshall's for $4.99. I thought that was fair. That's fair. This is so stunningly beautiful. It's a golden, white and golden highlight. I don't know if you can see that. Stunning. So I was happy to see that. Totally random. A very beautiful find. And then I've never tried Cara Beauty before, but I was just looking around and I loved the color story of this palette. I thought that was very, very beautiful. It definitely reminded me of some of the shades in the ColourPop The Child palette, as well as the ColourPop Wild Nothings, which I've been eyeing for a while, just have not pulled the trig on that one. So I like the packaging so far, and this was $5.99, so not bad at all. Oops. Very cute packaging. I don't know what these retail regularly. I don't know much about Cara Beauty. But, I'm pretty impressed. I like the packaging. I like the packaging. The color story, like I said, is very beautiful. Honestly, a bit darker than what I saw on the packaging, but that's okay. So the last and final item I got is from a makeup collection because I've been revamping it, redoing it. I am just really excited about this item because I almost purchased this from Amazon for $25. So yeah, I totally found a deal on this. This was $15, and I'm going to try to get it in frame. I don't know how well, but it's the Benno 3rd Avenue 3-drawer chest. And this is a multi-use organizer, but I bought this for makeup basically. I'm going to insert some pictures because basically that's pretty much what it's going to look like when I get done. They had several different ones of these, but I was particularly looking for one that had a large drawer. This one has two, so win-win for that, and a small upper drawer. And you know, honestly, you could flip this around and have two large drawers on top and one small on the bottom. It doesn't matter. It's got these black inserts in there. I'm going to take those, leave them, whatever. And I like the little handles here. That is my Five Below and Marshall's haul. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and tutorials using the items hauled today. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links. And thank you guys so very much for watching.